Hey guys, how's it going? It's Brennan the Paleo Dude back with another figure review. Today we'll be taking a look at three Geo World dinosaur eggs that I received in a very awesome giveaway from Dino Lab, which is a really cool, well, the name sums it up, dinosaur lab, where they clean fossils on Vancouver Island, which is here in BC, Canada, where I live. And I was lucky enough to, like I said, win their giveaway, which has a load of really cool Geo World figs in it, and I'll be reviewing each set of them, so stay tuned for those. So today we'll be taking a look at these really cool eggs, two of which have a kind of gooey dinosaur inside, a stretchy rubbery one, and then this one comes with a Pteranodon skeleton. I've collected a few of these eggs in the past, and I believe they're from the same brand. I really love them. They're very quality models, and what's cool about them is they come in this kind of oviraptor shaped or theropod shaped egg, and that can be used as like a light if you put a light inside, maybe like a night light, or just a cool model if you paint it up like one. Maybe even a prop for like some show or YouTube video that you want to make, a mock documentary, which is really neat. I love the texture on the eggs too. On the back it says the pieces that come inside, you assemble it. Just have to find out how to take this off. I think this is the only thing holding it. Oh, what? Guess I'll just slip it off the top. Or not. Whoops. Just tear through this. It seemed to be the only way to get this off. There we go. And you can see it's got the Geo World logo. And then here's the little kit inside. Just leave the egg there. So it comes with this little instruction booklet. It tells you about Pteranodon, got the little mascot there. And there's information, I believe, in a few languages, which is awesome, very inclusive. And then there's the instructions. So let's get this little baggie open. And these guys are painted quite well. You can see they've got different colors brushed on. Some lights and darks. Let's see, I think these go together first. Put the rib cage together, very small tail. You've got the legs here. How are they folded? Kind of inwards like that. Very funky looking legs with those. Kind of got like a paddle-like design going on with the plastic. So we got these legs folded up in the back. And they're kind of on a hinge, so you can position them how you want. We got, I think the finger points outwards like so. Put it into that slot. I think this is like a little peg. There should be a click, maybe not. See, there's a little fingertip right there. You just slide those in, and then these might be on a rotating peg, right like that. So you can fold them out. Wow, that's a big wingspan, look at that. I dropped the head. So this is a different design or version from what I've got. I've got a darker one with the legs out. So this will be cool to hang up with the rest. I think I've got two other species of Pteranodon skeletons. Now that I've got three, maybe I could hang them up on the ceiling and make a cool design with those. Kind of like a museum. The skull is really cool. You can see there's a lot of detail on the face. It's two pieces. Where is the bottom jaw? Did I drop it? We'll just put it together. We don't need a bottom jaw. So let's put those on like so. It just snaps together like that. And then this ball joint right here. I think I was supposed to put it together on the head. Whoops. I'll just split that. Come on. Come on. Bingo. And now it's on. One of the wing pieces fell off. There we go. And it comes with this cute little stand. Let's move that over. And I swear I'll fix the lighting issue. It's dark where I am right now when I'm filming, so I don't have any light from the window. I'll have to get more, I guess more, what are they called, lamps? Imagine forgetting the word for lamp. I don't know, I think I lost the bottom jaw. I'll have to make a custom one if I can't find it. Should be somewhere though. Anyways, so here's the skeleton. Very cool. Very realistic looking. I love the neck length too. And look at the wingspan on that. That's huge. Love that model. So let's dive into these gooey eggs. I wonder if this outer shell glows in the dark. It's got a kind of opaque look to it. So you can see all the little dinosaurs in this lineup. And hopefully these guys also come with a little info sheet. That would be super cool. So let's remove this packaging somehow. How am I going to go about this? From the side, maybe. Move that. Let's see what we got. I think it says on the packaging, but I like a good surprise. Ooh, we've got a triceratops, and it's pink. Look at that color. It's kind of like a cotton candy triceratops. It's got a very flappy, like, frill going on there. Horns. And look at those teeth. Very menacing looking. And inside it's got some, if you can hear, some little balls or something. And it kind of stays in place a little bit when you squish it. And on the underside of the stomach, it's got some writing. I think it might have the word Triceratops on it. Or maybe some information about it. I can't really see that well at the moment. So let's open the next one. Oh, and we get a little thing inside too. It's a little card. Triceratops. Oh, that's so cute. So, next one. It looks like there's a green thing inside. So let's open that up. That slides off a lot easier. It's a Spino! Look at that! Oh, I love the color on this one. Green and blue. Very suiting for something that lives in swamps. And then here's its little card. It's got its size on there. And the information. That's so cute. And look at that. It's got a pretty rubbery head. There's no thing inside of there. It's just hollow, so you can invert it and stick things in its mouth. It's kind of got a little pocket back there. And of course this is accurate for the time that this is probably made at. It kind of stands upright like some of the original Tyrannosaurs or theropods back in the day. So of course it's using the tail for stability, like most toys. So it's got that very nice nostalgic classic feel to it. It's very jiggly, look at that. And of course it also has the rubbery balls inside of it, like the Triceratops. That is such a cool little assortment. Let's take a look on the back of the packaging and see what else there is. There's also a Velociraptor, an Apatosaurus, Stego, and Tyrannosaurus. All the main iconic dinosaurs in one little set. Super cute. Next time I visit Dino Lab, which I haven't before, I'll have to get some more of these figures and complete the series. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.